Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 7th, 2021, and we're going to talk about Tesla stock. I know you guys, if you follow Elon Musk on Twitter, you know that he has a poll out, and he's trying to get the Twitter followers that he has, or those who are on Twitter, to see whether or not he should sell 10% of his Tesla shares. Now, I'm not going to give you all a price prediction on this particular video in Tesla. I really need your help. I want you all to tell me, where do you think the price in Tesla is going to go based off of this information I'm about to show you now? All right, so if you guys appreciate my videos, my content, make sure you keep it locked in here, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. And then at the end of the video, leave me your comment as to where you think the price in Tesla is going to go based off this information that many of those involved with Tesla are doing with their money. Right, so first, let me talk about our last price prediction that we did in Tesla. You guys can see it. It was right here on October the 19th, 2021. We were already playing the strength into the market in Tesla. We've been telling you all that as long as this price in Tesla continues to ride this ascending line, guess what? Yeah, we're going to see the price go up. That's simple. And look at the market price recently. It has literally exploded. So it kind of tells you, with all of this information that is coming out right now regarding these shares in Tesla and the poll that Elon Musk has out about what he needs to do with 10% of his shares, it's kind of odd that the price is at all-time highs when we get inundated with all of this information. Look at that, $1,234 was the high, right? Now, if we were to get out the market now on the close of Friday, 40.25% profitability. Simple, right? It's very simple to ensure that you can tell what these people are doing with their money. Even with Elon Musk, his brothers, Michael Burry, whoever is involved in this market, they cannot hide from what they do. It's literally here on the charts for us to all ingest. And if we're able to see it accurately, we can actually profit right alongside with them. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. I'm not going to do a price prediction. I just want your all's opinion as to where you think the price is going to go now. I mean, we're trading at $1,222.09, right? Now, check this out. This has been a very methodical and easy trend that Tesla has been in since 2020, right? We kind of broke out a little bit, but we always came back down and tested this ascending line. And now we're in the breakout phase. So obviously, people are taking profits. Now, you're going to get people here on YouTube telling you to buy the market in Tesla, but other people are doing the opposite. While this price has seen meteoric rise in price recently, they're taking the bag while people are telling you to buy it. It doesn't make any sense. You listen to those who are in the know and you pay attention to what price has been doing. As this market in Tesla has been going up, those in the know has been selling. Those who are not in the know has been buying it up, whoever was selling it, right? So check this out. Look at this article right here from In Business. Elon Musk will sell $21 billion worth of Tesla shares if Twitter followers agree. He went ahead, Elon, and did this poll right here on Twitter. Much is said lately about unrealized gains being a means of tax avoidance, so I propose selling 10% of my Tesla stock. Do you support this? Now, this has everyone all up in arms and everyone's trying to grab because it's the latest hype news for Tesla and Elon Musk. He knows what he's doing. He's not ignorant. He's not crazy. He knows exactly what he's doing by posting this poll. He is. Now, is it a coincidence that he's dropping this poll on November the 6th, 2021? Because look at this. Also mentioned in the article right here from NBC News, he also knows that he has a bunch of options expiring soon. Quote, I have a bunch of options that are expiring early next year, so a huge block of options will sell in Q4. What quarter are we in right now? Because I have to, or they'll expire. This is what he said in the conference. This was at the Cold Conference in September. So here we are in November, the fourth quarter of 2021. He already told people back in September that he has options that's expiring. So he might sell a huge block of them in the fourth quarter. That's when he came out with this tweet. Look at that, November the 6th. He told people at this conference in September that he had options expire anyway. So he's going to have to sell or let them expire regardless. So what's the point of this poll? Is he trying to keep the hype for himself and Tesla so that they can maintain and being in the news? Make you question. Now, if he has to sell or if the options are expiring relatively soon, look at what else everyone else is doing. Take a look at this. Other current and former Tesla board members. Look at this. Robin Delholme, Kimball Musk, Ira Imprentice, and Antonio Garcias. They have already sold hundreds of millions of dollars worth of their Tesla shares since October the 28th. As the company stock was going up, they were selling hundreds of millions, not just 1,000, not 10,000, not 100, no, hundreds of millions of dollars worth. They were already selling while the price, look at this, October the 28th, which was right here. Take a look. They've been selling since this time frame. October the 28th, right here. They've been selling. As the price been going up, they've been selling hundreds of millions of dollars worth. And you want to know why? Because they know that the top is in. Because they know that Elon has to sell too. So they're like, well, since we saw this monumental movement higher in price, let's go ahead and grab the bag. Let's take the bread. While everyone else is trying to hype up Tesla stock, these individuals are selling it. Now, this is the SEC Form 4. This is Elon's brother showing you that he did in fact sell some shares in Tesla recently, November the 5th. Take a look at that. $108 million. He sold it on November the 5th. So he's selling. Okay. A lot of the board members in Tesla is selling. Okay. Now, Elon is coming out with this tweet proposing to sell 10%. When we all know, based on the article from NBC, that he has to get rid of them anyway. So which do you think is more probable? Do you think the stock is going to continue to go up? Or do you think the stock is going to go down? This is why I need your help. I want you all to tell me what are your thoughts about the information that is being strewn throughout social media and on mainstream media. What do you all think the price is going to do in Tesla to end out the fourth quarter in 2021? I haven't seen too much information about buying Tesla. I see a lot of information of Elon proposing to sell, a lot of the board members selling, his brother selling. And then look at this. You remember this article? Market Insider. Michael Burry was already shorting Tesla stock. Now, back in October, he said he was no longer shorting the stock. And maybe that was a pretty good move. Maybe now is the time to short Tesla stock, Mike. Maybe now is. Because you're getting all this information of people selling Tesla right now. Maybe you're just too early to the party. Maybe you got ahead of the game too fast. Because based on what Elon is proposing, based on what his board members and his brother is doing, maybe now's the time to short Tesla stock. Because this was back in May to where he was saying that he was shorting Tesla stock, right? Now, it was just a trade according to him. But he already knew what's going on too. Take a look at this. This is an article back here in the beginning of this year from Wolf Street. Okay, look at this. Now, could this be another justifiable reason as to why we can expect the price to go down? Look at this chart. This is the global deliveries between Tesla and all the automakers combined, right? Now, which one would you think would have more credence, more worth in the market? You guys can see that Tesla only delivered back in the beginning of this year. All right, so we got what, 12 months not included, but 500,000 deliveries Tesla made. Global deliveries in 2020, right? The rest of the automakers globally has delivered 73 million vehicles versus Tesla's 500,000. Look at the disparity. And then when you look at the market cap in comparison to the deliveries of vehicles, Tesla is worth, this is on December 31st, 2020, was worth $669 billion by itself. By itself. Now, when you take in Toyota, Volkswagen, Daimler Chrysler, GM, BMW, Honda, Ford, FCA, they're worth total $654 billion total. Is this justified reasonable to say that Tesla is overvalued and that we need to see the price come down? Or do you still think that Tesla is the buy? This is all information that is readily available from a lot of people. Now, from our perspective, we don't really care about what we're seeing. We focus in on this. And we already know that this recent price move in Tesla cannot be sustained. It can't. Check this out. Look at the disparity or the range of difference between the ascending line. Look at the longer term trend in Tesla, right? It looks comfortable. It looks well. It looks established. It looks stable. But the market broke out away from that. Look at this. We are breaking away from that trend massively. Now, you cannot expect us to continue to see this price in Tesla trade like this. That is unsustainable. Just looking at the chart alone. So at some point, yeah, we're going to see this break. And it seemed like the market got so overextended. It is truly being hyped. It is truly over strengthified, if that's a word, of going up. Like it's about to hit that stratospheric sphere to where the balloon has to let out some of this air. Take a look at that. Now, do you think now's the time to short Tesla? Or do you still think this price is going to continue to shoot up higher and higher in price? I just want to know, because I'm not going to put a price prediction on this particular video. I will come back later once I continually see what price does as we trade up here, because I'm not looking for this to last long, though. I'm not. That's my perspective, though. And as I go, let me show you all this. One thing I really try to show everyone on our channel is look at these gaps, right? That's a very small gap in Tesla. Well, look at this bigger one right here. So as we see this market continue to trade in the rest of 2021, beginning of 2022, we know that Elon has to sell. And he's trying to impose that on Twitter. Let his Twitter followers decide what he needs to do. But let's take a look at how far away we are from that gap. Okay. So for us to fill this gap, the market would have to fall 25.5%. Now, many people will say that that's a bear market. Many people will say that since we fell below 20%, that is truly a market that is not a buy. Tesla now, are we going to shoot down there like a rock, or are we going to stair step our way down? Who knows, right? Are we just going to go down like this, or are we going to see the market kind of stair step its way down to fill the gap, right? And then eventually might hit that ascending line. But I want to know. I want you all to tell me, what is your premise as to where price is going to go in Tesla? So drop me the comment right now. All right, I'm done. Just want to give y'all a couple of articles, kind of show you what's been going on in the news and how people are trying to give you their presumption as to what price is going to do. And I just want to know what our subscribers think. Hit me up. Let me know, where do you think the market price in Tesla is going to go, seeing that we are trading at all-time highs. All right. So let me go ahead and show you all. Look at that. You tell me where you think we're going to go. All right. Now, as I get more and more information, as I see what we do at the beginning of this trade week, maybe starting out mid-November, beginning of December, I might come back in and do another price prediction. If I see weakness come in immediately soon, I'll come back in and show you all to where I'm looking for the price to go. But already, you know, this gap is definitely something that's on my radar for us to see the price come back down towards. Okay. So I'm definitely looking at that right now. But I'm chilling right now. Just want to see what the market's going to do for this week. You know, I know they're going to act on what Elon Musk is trying to do. And let me show you this, right? So in this tweet that he has, he doesn't really give you a time frame, does he? No, he doesn't. So even though he's trying to get people's ideas of him selling 10% of his stake of Tesla stock, he asked the question, do you support this? Yay or nay? But there's not a time frame. So understandably, you won't know when he sells his options, or when they expire, or when he sells his Tesla shares. You won't know it. The only way that you will know it is right here. I'm telling you this now. The only way that you will know when he's selling his options or his shares in Tesla is right here on the chart. Pay attention to what people are doing with their money. And you only can tell that by the charts, not by looking at all these articles, all of these tabs that I got on my chart. On the screen. You can't do that. Just look at the price. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to see what it's going to do with this money. And we'll see first off of the price. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.